Hello everyone. Let's learn about locators in this session. So let me create a class and the class name I will keep it as a locators. Let's start learning about the locators. So let us list down what all locators we are gonna see right now. So in this lecture we are gonna see ID and then we are gonna see mm, you know let me make a comment like this, yeah, ID, and then we'll see class name, and then we'll see tag name, then we'll see link text, and then partial link text, and then name name. So these are the locators which we are gonna see in this lecture. And apart from this, there are two more important locators, that is CSS and XPath, which we are gonna see in another video. But in this video, we're gonna see this locators. Let's start slowly so that everybody will be able to pick it up. So first, what we need to do, we need to write uh, web driver equals to new Chrome driver, and then let me import the package. How you'll import? So just hover over here. It says, so there is one more way, Control Shift O, just say, and it will just import these things in your um, project. And how these things are happening, you can just watch the previous videos which I have delivered. Then now we have got this. So now to understand these locators, we need to find out some website. So let me take you through one website, and let me open an incognito window. Yeah, because Facebook I have already logged in, so I'm gonna use Facebook website. So Facebook, yeah. So in Facebook, if you try to if you see anything like whatever this thing, that everything is, what is this, these things are we call it as a web element. Everything on a web page is called as web element. So let's try to just click on this login button. So for that, what you do, right click here and then do inspect. So when you go to inspect, so you can see this is what, this is a DOM. So in this DOM, this is what, this is button with with this angle bracket. So these are the, this is tag, and this is what, value equals to 1, value attribute, this is called as, left hand side is called as attribute, and right hand side is called as value. So attribute equals to value, attribute equals to value, same way attribute. So let's go to Eclipse, and here first let us try to find out a name. Let's try to find the locator name. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say driver dot get, and where you get, like, go to first, what you do, www.facebook.com, and then after you go to facebook.com, what you do, then you go to, then you do driver dot find element, and then say by dot name. So you can see how you're gonna access locators. So you are gonna access locators again. Let me tell you, driver, that is what, driver is coming from web driver. You can see web driver, and web driver has all these methods which I showed you while explaining the high level architecture. So you can see it is having find element. So I'm going to use find element, and then I'm going to say there is a what, find element, it, you can see it takes a argument that is by. So here you need to just pass by. And what is this by? It's like a data type, so by dot. Now which kind of by dot? We are going to talk about name, so just say by dot name. And what is the name over here? Let's go to website and check it out. So the name is, you can see, login. So just copy login and go to Eclipse, and here just say login. And now, and just say dot, whatever you can do. You can see, I can click, I can get the text. So let me get the text for you. Dot, okay, login, and dot get text. Okay, and after that I'm gonna put a semicolon over here. Now I'm gonna print this so that we can come to know that what exactly is the output for this. So you can see login should come like this, caps LOGIN, whereas what we have given login like this. So I want this text to be printed in my console. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just run my program, and you can see I have just ran my program, and a new browser should supposed to open. So it is taking some time, but it will open because I am opening this after long time. So let it get open. Now let me put one more print statement over here so that we'll get to know what is happening. Hello everyone, right? And then now let me just run a Java application running hello everyone printed, and then the browser should supposed to open, and browser got open, you can see. And this got exception because by the time it was opening, I just got to know to browser. So let me once again open this. So yeah, it is saying hello everyone, and then browser is getting launch, and okay. And what is that? I think I have provided the wrong you know address. So let me just copy from here and go here and just say okay, and let's try again, because you can see it says invalid argument, right? The error is invalid argument, and where it's giving line number 25. So this is 25, so this is invalid argument. This was, now I fixed it. So let us run once again. So hello everybody is running, and then one browser you can see, and then I got the Facebook, and I need this text log in. So let's see, is it printed? Can you see login? It means our locator name is working. So let us you know mark it as a done. We got through this locator. Now same way we are gonna try for that is id. Okay, so let's, so how you are gonna access id? So same way, driver dot find element by dot id, you need to say this time id locator, and all the locators we need to give in a string format. You can see string format. So let's go to our website again, Facebook, and here let me try to find id. So here if I go and I'll say inspect, So you can see class name id equals to email, right? So I'll just copy this email, and always remember, right side of data we have to use, not id. This is a attribute, so we are not going to use attribute, we are going to use value of the attribute. So id equals to email. So we'll go again over here, we'll say email, and after email we provide what you want to do in email. So I want to just type something. So for typing we have a method that is send keys. you know Send keys. In send keys you need to again provide something, what do you want to send. So I want to send uh, weapon 123 at the rate gmail.com, let's suppose. And then let us try to run this. So let me run this, and you can see browser is getting open, user is navigating to Facebook, and then user should be able to enter the input. So you saw the input was getting you know uh, filled by a script, that is this. So this is how your id works, id locator. So this is also done, we have covered id. Now let's go to tag name. So in order to learn tag name, again let's go to this website only. This is very good website where we can get all the learn all the things. So here you can see um, you know like tag name. So I want to basically I want to know how many tags are there in not tag. Okay, so let's try to read this text. So how you're gonna read this text? So in order to read this text, again you need to what, inspect. So just inspect this, and you can, for inspecting, use this. You look this, select an element in the page to inspect it. So like this, I want to inspect this. So how you can say this is the line. Whenever you select any line, let's suppose I am selecting this, so that element is getting highlight. That element is getting highlight. That element. But here I want to read this line. So how I am gonna read this line? So I told you in starting, this is DOM, and in this DOM, the angle bracket whenever it start with, this is what? This is your tag. We call it as a tag name. Like div, this is a tag. Div tag again. Then body, this is a tag. Head, this is a tag. This is basic HTML, everybody knows. Now let's go to this tag, that is h2 tag. So now go to our code, and here we can say again in system.out.println, that is driver dot find element by dot tag name, and give the tag name. What is the tag name over there? Just check what is the tag name over here. So tag name is h2. So just go here and say h2, and after that we can say dot get text, so that that text can be printed over here. So let's try to do that. Let me run this program. I'm running my program. Again a browser should open. User should navigate to Facebook page. Then user should find a login text. After that user should enter the email ID, and then user should I should be able to fetch this text. Let's go here. See, you can see Facebook helps you connect and share with the people in your life. So you can see this text I am able to get on my console. So this is how your tag name works, right? This is how your tag name works. Now let's see about LinkText. Now what is LinkText? So you know, any text you can see English, Hindi, this thing, sign up, login, Messenger, Facebook Lite. These all the things are link, and it has converted into text. So this forgot password. This is also a link. If I click here, another page will open. So this is what this is a link text. So let's talk about forgot password only. Right click here. Again, inspect this. So you can see there is a, you know, um A is your anchor tag. That is how we get to know that this is a, you know, what your link text or not. So in order to learn that is link text, so what we'll do, we'll again go and we'll say driver dot find element by dot link text, and in this link text what we'll pass, we'll pass whatever the link text is, this button is having. So what link text it is having? Forgotten password. You just copy this and go to your this thing and just say forgotten password and say dot, and this time what we'll do, we'll click. Let's use click method now, and now just enter, I mean run your program. So let me run my program. I ran my program. Again a browser should open. So browser is getting open, and it will fill the email ID in email field. Then it should click on forgotten password. So you saw you clicked on forgotten password and I raised to forgot password screen. So that is how this locator works. So your link text is also done. Okay. So now there are left, that is class name and partial link text. So link text is similarly as well as partial link text. Okay. So in partial link text, what we do, we give the partial text. Okay. So that is how the partial link text gets done. And in class name, let's see if we have any locator available for the class name or not. So let me inspect this, and we can see this class is like this. So this class can change at runtime. So if anything you can see like this class, never use that. So let's not use this. What about this text? So this can also change, this can also change. What about this? This can also change. This can also change. Okay, so let me check another one. Password. Password will also be changed. Email will also be changed. So like that, we need to check. Let's take Google this time for the class example. And for Google, so just see, for Google, we have a class attribute which is like this. Okay, so let's take this time, let's take our website as a Google. Just go here, create one more. It is what? Locator 2. Just for, and here, what we will do? We'll just say driver equals to new Chrome driver. This should be your always first line. Control Shift O, so that it should get import, and then driver dot get, then send this so that it will open Google. After that, driver dot find element by dot class name. And what is the class name? I have copied already. No, sorry, I miscopied. So let me again go to go to the Google website, and here just let me copy this. Okay, let me copy this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just send some keys. Send keys India. Okay, and now let's try to run this. So a new website should get open. A new website is getting open, and we are getting navigated to google.com, and here it should type India. And yeah, you can see India. It typed India. So this your class name is locator is also done. So this is how all this locators has been handled. So let's try one more for partial link text, right? Because that is not done if I will not explain this partial link text. So just go to website, and here let's suppose Hindi. Okay, Hindi is here. We are gonna inspect this, and I want a partial link text for this Hindi. So just let me copy Hindi and try to use, but again Hindi is like that. Let me, okay, Gmail. What about this is also a link text. So just go here, Gmail, and here I can see that in a tag Gmail is there. So let me just copy Gmail and go to code, and here we can write driver dot find element by dot partial link text, and here I'm gonna write gma dot click, and let me for now comment this out. I'm not gonna send any keys here, and let me run. So let's see what happens. Partial link text, like you're gonna provide partial text basically in your script, and it's gonna recognize, you know so let's see how it does. You can see the Gmail is getting click. So this is nothing but uh, all the locators which are gonna which we plan to learn in this session. So we have completed all these locators, and in next session we'll get start with CSS and XPath. And if you have any doubt regarding any locators, so just let me know. And for now you can pick any choice of your website, and you can start practicing it. And if you want to get familiar with more methods, so just do one thing: write this line, driver web driver equals to new chrome driver, and then after that give any website, okay, your choice. Second line should be in your website, your choice. And after that, what you do, you just driver dot, what do you want to do? You want to close, you want to find element, you want to get page source, you want to get title, you want to navigate. Just try to use it, driver dot quit, and do practice. And if you feel anything, any like anything is not, you're not understanding, feel free to reach me through comments. Just comment, I'll be happy, more happy to help you in any ways, be it setup, be it anything. So thanks for watching, guys. Yeah.